guys, I stopped wearing deodorant. I know it sounds really gross, but hear me out. I didn't want to use any chemicals anymore or like aluminum underneath my arms because I heard it's really bad for you, but I also smell if I don't wear deodorant. So I tried a bunch of natural things, nothing worked. But get this. Once upon a time, I took a lemon slice like this, and after I got out of the shower, I put it underneath my arm like so, and then I stopped smelling. I promise you this is not a joke, like this actually works. Try this deodorant hack. I put it in this little glass mason jar. I keep it in the fridge and I just have lemons sliced and ready to go. You do have to put it on like once or twice, maybe 3 times a day if you're like working out, but I promise you it works, you guys. I've gone full-blown hippie mode and I'm loving every minute of it. You guys have to try this and let me know what you think. It's like the world's most natural deodorant and no one has told us about this. They've been hiding this secret all along. You gotta try it.
You guys, I did a crazy thing. I stopped wearing deodorant and I won't tell you what happened. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, but a while back I posted a video about me getting a procedure done called Mirror Dry. It's basically a procedure where they do like this laser thing and it kind of like makes it so that you don't sweat anymore, you don't smell, you don't have to wear deodorant. That's like a whole video. I'll try to link it down below if I can remember. For like a very high percentage of people, that procedure works. For me, it did not. And I would have had to go get like it done again to try to get it to work. But I was like, no, I don't want to do it again. So I just continued to wear deodorant and I sweat and I smell. Like I have to wear, I'm one of those people that like, I have to put deodorant on twice a day. When I get out of the shower, I put deodorant on, and then in the morning, I put deodorant on again. And I wear like extra strength men's like deodorant with like aluminum in it, like all the bad stuff that like you're not supposed to wear and is like known to cause cancer and all these different things. And I just continue to wear it because I tried a bunch of natural deodorants, nothing worked for me. I was just like, whatever. I tried like not wearing deodorant for like a day or two and I just could not stand the smell of myself and I was just like, no, I can't do this. I decided recently, with everything going on, I'm not gonna be around other people, so if I'm gonna smell for a little bit, like maybe I'll try it now. And my husband like really doesn't care if I smell like body odor because he's just like a total hippie and he actually like prefers me to smell like natural, as he calls it, as opposed to like be wearing deodorant that has like, you know, chemicals and all these different things because he thinks it's really bad for me, which I'm sure it is. But that was just one of the things that I was just like, I'm just gonna sacrifice it, like I don't care because I don't want to smell. So I just was gonna use the chemicals. Recently, I decided I'm going to stop wearing deodorant. You guys, I haven't worn deodorant for over a month. And if you're curious, what happened? I stopped wearing deodorant and now I just smell. Like I smell because I'm not wearing deodorant. But something interesting happened. I got like this crystal salt thing and you know, like you have to use it a certain way. You have to like just put a little bit of water on it, make sure you're super clean underneath and you've washed yourself and you've dried, and then you use it until it's like dry. You know, you have to like there's like a special way of using it. I tried doing it the proper way, still noticed it didn't really work that well, but I did find something very interesting that I haven't heard a lot of people mention, and that is lemon. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I slice lemons really thin and I wipe the lemon underneath my arm. Don't do this right after you shave because it might burn. But like if you don't shave every day, like I don't have to shave every day because I got laser hair removal, so I don't really have very much hair under my arms anyways, but I'll put it on the lemon slice underneath and holy shit, like it totally worked, you guys. And I have anxiety, I'm sweating all the time, like, and I smell when I sweat. And the lemon trick like totally worked. The thing is that you have to put it on a few times a day. You can't just like put it on once and then like it works the whole day. Well, maybe if you don't sweat that much, it might. But that actually worked for me. And I noticed that the less and less I used deodorant, the less I was starting to smell, which was very interesting to me because again, like I said, I'm one of those people that just like, ugh, I sweat a lot and I smell. So that happened. Then I read this thing where you can detox your underarm with like clay and like apple cider vinegar or something. I haven't done that yet. And I heard also with that you have to like keep up with it, doing it like once a week or something. And then the natural deodorants start to work. I'm not really sure, but like I haven't put anything underneath, and I just noticed that like if I start to smell a little bit, I just take a washcloth and like a little bit of Dr. Bronner's soap and water and like wash underneath, and then I'm fine. Like I really, it's so weird because I'm like so used to being like that girl that's so self-conscious about like not wanting to smell, and like, you know, like I don't know, I just feel like it's like one of those things that's like it's like courteous to like put deodorant on, you know, if you're gonna be around other people, especially. And just for me, like it grosses me out. Like Travis is like, just stop wearing deodorant. I'm like, no, it grosses me out. I don't want to smell like myself. That's disgusting. But I just, because of like everything going on, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna be around a lot of people. My husband doesn't care. So if I'm gonna do it, this would be a perfect time to do it. So I did. And you guys, I'm telling you, it's kind of amazing. I don't really smell that bad. And I found ways to not have to wear deodorant. So not only am I like saving a ton of money by not putting deodorant on and having to buy deodorant all the time, but because deodorant's expensive, by the way, but or at least the kind I was getting was, but like it's so natural, and I now don't have to worry about like these chemicals, and like I don't know, it's just kind of awesome. I kind of like it. I'm like full-blown going hippie now on you guys, and I'm sorry about it, but it's kind of awesome. So I kind of wanted to share that with you guys and ask if any of you guys have had like similar experiences, or I don't know, let me know down in the comments, like do you guys wear deodorant? If you do, what kind? Do you care that it has chemicals? Do you not wear deodorant? Like let me know, because I'm just kind of curious, and I thought it'd be fun to talk about this because I thought it was really interesting, especially me of all people. Like I literally years ago was gonna do a whole video trying all these natural deodorants and which ones worked, and none of them worked for me. So I just like scrapped the whole video because I'm like, this is so lame. I literally used everything and nothing worked. Like I'm not putting this video out. It's not gonna help anybody. And then years later, I decided just to not wear deodorant for a month. And I think I like detoxed my armpits, and my body's kind of like detoxing through me not clogging up all those like sweat glands. And it like is doing something kind of cool. Like my body is like starting to not smell as much, and it's just so weird to me. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you found it a little bit interesting. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.